Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Take a ride in the 2013 Wrangler. Few vehicles are better off-road than a Jeep Wrangler. This is the one that started it all. Traceable to the original Jeep, the Wrangler is the very symbol of off-road capability and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, four-wheel drive, running boards, air conditioning, power steering, aluminum wheels, cruise control, floor mats, AM/FM stereo radio. Come take a test drive today.